Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazım Moridi and in this video I'm planning to start a new section in Dart language. It's about collections. What exactly are collections? Collection is our part of some things, for example a grocery store or shopping list. Um, or let me talk about shopping list, okay? For example, you want to buy some stuff for your home and you write down your stuff in a piece of paper or when your note-taking app in your mobile phone. Each line represents an item in your shopping list, and these things are called collection of items for your shopping list. Okay, so collection are like this. One part of this collections stuff is a list, and I'm going to talk about lists in this video. There are two type of list in the Dart language. One of them is fixed length list. Another one is a growable list. What exactly are they? First, if I let me create an fixed length list for at first. First, you specify type of the list you want. For example, I want to create an int type list. I will call it. Let me change it age, for example. And in order to create an uh, fixed type list, first you need to write list, okay, int, and then dot field, which for example we can add field number, for example 5 or even 8. And if I print this list in the console, you will see that it only show 5 and 8 as a result. Sorry, 5 number, you repeat the 8 5 times. Okay, so we create um items 8 5 times in the list, and I cannot change this um the number of this actually thing. For example, if I want to add 16 and let me run this code, you'll see that it's unsupported operations add. So you cannot add some stuff to this field because this list is a fixed length list, and because of that it cannot be expanded at all. And we also have growable list, which most of the time in our program we use growable list because it's super easier to use. In order to create a growable list, first you need to specify um, a name, a data type, for example grades, okay, grades, and you can use braces in order to break brackets in order to use it. And we can write down the number we want, for example 5 6 7 8 9 5. And if I want to print this number over the console, you'll see I must actually comment this one because this thing throws an error, and this line won't be work if this throws an error. As you see, the numbers has actually printed, and I can directly use adds add function over here, and I can add, for example, 16. uh, if I run this code, you will see that 16 is added at the end of this list. And if you want to access a number of this list, it's super easy. You can need to open this symbol over here and type, for example, 0, which means the start. As you know, indexes are started in the list from 0. For example, this is the 0 index, 1 2 3 and 4, but it has length of 5 but index of 4. And if I want to use index of 6, which is outside of this scope, or even an index of 5, which is also of this index, sorry, 6. It doesn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is the index of 5. Okay, so if I use 6, which is outside of this 6 um, number, it doesn't work at all. As you see, it throws an error which is called index out of range. So you need to be very careful about the indexes. And if I want to print the last number of this grade, I can use directly use length. And if I run actually this code, you will see that it would throw an error because length is always a number greater than the index. So we need to add, sorry, we need to add a one, sorry, decrease the number by one in order to make it same as the index number. As you see, we printed the last uh, item in the list by using the length -1. And we also have multiple functions for list. If I use it index of, for example, I can directly use index that I want, and it's exactly return the same stuff as before, which is, sorry, index of, for example, it needs to use a return, for example, index of 5. I want to check what is index of 5 over the list, which is 0, or even index of 8, which is 2 in the list. And because we use index of in order to understand what exactly is index of our item in the list. We also have a lot of functions for the list in the Dart language. For example, we do have remove, which remove an object. For example, I want to remove 6 and to it, sorry, I need to remove this one before calling. If I remove it, okay, let me remove this one before calling it, and let me print this after that. And as you see, the 6 was removed, or even we can use remove add, which remove it based on the index of the number. For example, 2. I want to remove the 8 from the list, and if I run it, you will see that it was removed. And I think that's enough for list and its function. If you like my video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe me to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.